Hi, I'm Stu Dawson, and we're here at Oshkosh 2019. We brought a new airplane this year. It's the Mosquito, just finished, New Zealand, brand new build. It is probably the prettiest airplane I've ever seen, and the workmanship is just unbelievable. It was a total rebuild from the ground up, all new wings, new fuselage and everything, which is wood. AVspecs and New Zealand did the work. This is their third Mosquito that they've built, and it looks like to me it's probably the best one. It's a great performing airplane. It's a really neat airplane to fly. It's different than a lot of the American airplanes. Their systems and the way they work and everything are a little bit different. It's fast. It will outperform a 51 as far as cruising and everything. Now, we hadn't tried on the top end. Wicked it up a little bit and everything, and it goes real well. And it's just a privilege to be able to fly this thing. We've entered it into judging, and we'll wait to see tomorrow what happens. Rod Lewis added this to his collection, and it is probably one of his best pieces that he has.